Okay, now we have some like a business perspective on information system, that how information system are usually for the businesses over there. Information system is a instrument for creating a value. So we know that information system is important to create a value into our organizations over there. So it is a like an instrument. It's a way. It's a method, or it's like uh, a tool. Yeah, very good. Yeah, it's a tool kind of thing for creating a value. Value means like money generating for you. So investment in information technology will result in superior returns. Okay, so investment in information technology will result in what? In superior returns. How they will give you a good return? How they will give you a superior return? They will increase the productivity. For example, like if you are using information system, your business will grow. You can do more with less resources over there. Revenue increases. So the money is revenue means the money, the profit you are generating, it will increase over there. And then we have a superior long-term strategic positioning in the world, or in the market over there. So we can have these three things. So you have a productivity, it will be increases of your company, revenue will increase, and superior long-term strategic positioning, it will also increase over there. In business information value chain, so usually supply chain management deals with the from raw product to the final product over there. So how this supply chain management can be more effective. So information system plays a vital role, to play an important role from how to make the your raw data into the final product over there. Okay, so information system plays a value in the chain as well. So raw data acquired and transformed through the stages, okay, that add value to that information over there. So value of information system determined in the part by extent to which it leads to better decision over there. So by this way you can better decide that what things I needed. Okay, so for example, if you have a company of like petrochemical Aramco, so Aramco, they extract the oil from the well over there, okay, then process into the factory, and then bring into the market, and then to the customer over there, right? So this is like a main chain for the raw product of the petrol over there, right? So if they are doing it like manually without the information system, it becomes very hard for them, right? So
A lot of
information
resources
system,
wasted.
it makes them like more efficient. For example, the information system will know that how many well we have it, how many like regs we have it for extracting the oils through in the fields over there. They will know the data about that one. They will transmit to the middle level and to the manager over there, and after that one they will see how many trucks we need to like supply this raw oil to the plants over there for processing over there. And then from the processing, after it has been processed into different like 91 and 95 oil value over there, so how they can be transferred to the different oil stations over there. So how many trucks that we need for it, or the supply trucks for we needed, and these all informations are fed into the information system. Okay, in case if like if you are not using information system, and if you supply more trucks over that one, so you have to pay the rent for the trucks over there, right? So that will be like cost on you, especially when you are supplying this oil to the international market. So usually you have to pay for the ships, okay, in which you supply your oil over there. So these ships are also costly over there. You have to pay per day on that one, okay. So if you if you supply more, and you are the demand is low over there, and you are not using the information system over there, so it will cost you a lot over there. Especially this happened in this pandemic, when the demand was very low. People were like quarantine, or people were like in the lockdown. So in the lockdown, people were not using the oil over there. So many ships or like in a sea, they were like locked over there. They could not move forward, they could not move backward, okay. So that was like a very big loss for the different oil companies as well internationally. Okay, so so that's why we need to know that how is the demand and how is the supply over there. So if there is a less demand, so you have to produce less products for the market over there. If there is a high demand, so you have to increase the high demand over there. So depending on the, so this is who will tell you all this information. So like manually it's very hard to keep information of all this thing. So we need a information system.